just ran a marathon. Gotta get my work clothes. Hold on, man. Alright. Sorry, sir. Are you the new trainee?
Yeah.
Yeah, sorry, I do this every morning. It's a thing. Alright, here's a clipboard. Let's get started with business. Don't make fun of my clipboard! Hey!
I don't like you!
Oh, the heck you missed!
Maddie!
Come on! You have to do it like this! Oh God, what is in here? Hey, there's a rat! Do you know rat?
No, I don't. Thanks.
So let me just put it in my pocket.
Thanks for watching a Whack Your Boss remake. Watch some of our other videos. See ya.